Okay, if you don't follow us normally, this is monumental for Cookie. He is a fearful bird, and he never played. He's got really bad arthritis. This is monumental for Cookie. He never played before. This is the second time he's played. Cookie is a rescue. He never lived in a nice home, and he was petrified of people. Hands. He still isn't hand tame. I still can't pick him up by my hands. But his friendship with Newman has brought him so much confidence. He was too scared to even come out in the kitchen, but now he has Newman. He comes out prancing away with Newman, and now he's playing with toys. This is like some of my proudest moments, when one of my birds can do something that they were not capable of before, do their histories, etc. It makes me so happy to see him play like that. Anyways, I'll let you enjoy the Three Musketeers playing with toys in the kitchen. If you could please hit the like button, or if you're new here, follow our channel or subscribe. We're really trying to have big goals this year, so we'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Brave. Look at Cookie playing. He hasn't been like this. Look at him playing with the fish. If you're not familiar with our birds, Newman, Cookie playing with anything is incredible. It's a toy, a cat toy. Look at Newman, he's really got that fish.